All right, Teach. Should we tell them about the secret color change?
I don't know yet. Should we tell them, or should we just let them think about it? I think we should leave it a little surprise.
I think so.
Color change, not revealed yet.
I told them to do it purple.
But then we thought it'd be too much like Stradman. So we're trying to think a little outside the box. Calvin's up there just dancing like a little...
Dude, Calvin...
Oh, don't encourage him. Hey, don't worry about it. Alright,
Calvin, what color is this thing gonna be?
Should we tell him?
I don't know.
I don't think we should tell him.
Should we tell him?
I don't think so.
Nah.
Nah?
You don't get to see it.
You guys gotta drop a comment and guess the color.
Whoever guesses the color gets a free car painted at SOS.
Damn! On TJ's dime, he said it! Y'all heard it, I heard it. Did you hear it?
I heard it. I heard it, it's right there.
Did you hear it?
I didn't
Oh yeah, that was reassuring smile that he heard
Valio Pete.
Valio Pete. Hey, what's up guys? Oscar here, SOS Customz, and got some new projects here. We got a couple of StreetHunters, StreetHunter Supras. TJ's first production kit here. It's on the car. We're gonna go ahead and start getting this thing ready for some blocking, prepping, and priming, and hopefully get this kit all painted up here pretty soon. And we also have another 2020 Supra over here to my left. And this is 100% bone stock Supra. We are gonna be bagging this thing, putting the wide body kit, and maybe a couple of other extra things on it, but it's gonna be pretty cool. It's pretty nice to have two of them here back to back. So here we have the first production StreetHunter kit. So looking at it first glance, one thing that I like about it is gonna be the finish. Seems pretty nice. I think we could go ahead and you know, lay our guide coat directly, you know, after sanding this down a little bit, block it and see, you know, if there's any waves on this thing. But the fit and finish looks pretty good. She's thick though. Alright guys, so I want to show you before you know, we do any bonder work on the kit. This is how the kit fits. It fits pretty nice. The gaps are really nice right out of production. But any body shops is always gonna want to do a little bit of work on any kit. So this is one side that we've already done a little bit of work to, and this is just to kind of clean up the lines a little bit more. But as you can see on the other side, they're already pretty nice as it is, you know, compared to 95% of the kits on the market. A lot of people just use straight up Bondo. A lot of times what we like to use is a product called Marglass. Now, a lot of companies make it. Right now we're just so happen to have a 3M product with us. And we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to mix this at home. Obviously you have your product. We've already put some product down. You got your hardener. One thing that's gonna make your job in your life a whole lot easier is throwing a little bit of this. If you ever worked in a body shop, I'm sure you've seen the plastic honey. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to mix this.
You're just gonna add slightly, a little bit, as much watery as you want it. Don't put too much, because then it will make a big mess and it won't hold up as good. Now, just mix her in. Boom, make sure you get everything in there. It's always 10% of what you got there. I'd like to use a little bit more, because I gotta move a little quicker.
So keep in mind, if you add more hardener, you have less time to work with the product. So if you're a rookie in the game, obviously don't add a bunch of hardener. But also make sure you put enough, because then you're just going to pretty much spread the material and it's never going to dry.
If you're a rookie in the game, don't put hardener on it.
Brief overview on the Supra and where we're at. So we went ahead and primered up the front section of the kits, and it's looking really nice, and we're really happy with how it's coming out. And the other side, same thing, got this thing in primer. Only thing that we're doing now is just working on the side skirt and the rear portion of the kit. We got the side skirt sitting real nice. That's pretty much what we're up to right now. We're finishing up the rear kit, a little bit of body work that we did over here. Same thing on the other side, just a little bit of body work, nothing major. Finishing up the side skirt, and I think tomorrow we will have the whole kit in primer, and we will begin the drying process, and then go ahead and start blocking this thing and get it 100% ready. Really happy with how it's turning out. Thank you guys again for watching. Here at SOS Customz, we got you covered.